Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And this time it's for Mother's Day with lots of beautiful flowers. So let's get started.
As always, we start out with a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. We're also using 3 colors of buttercream: deep red in a piping bag with a small round tip as well as a petal tip, white with a medium star tip, and green with a small leaf tip. I start out piping a border along the bottom of the cake. This is my version of a reverse shell. Basically, all you do is make a loop, and then the second loop goes in the opposite direction. Right, then left, then right, then left. I love this border though. I think it has a really elegant look to it. Then, using a skewer, I traced a heart in the middle of the cake and traced the words with Happy Mother's Day. I cleaned up the stray bits of buttercream. Then I traced the words with the deep red buttercream and the small round tip. I made this color using red food coloring and a drop or two of blue. I originally tried to add purple, but it did not pair well with the red. The blue worked a lot better. Then I followed the heart shape with the petal tip facing up to make a ruffle. I should have moved it out just a bit from the tracing so it wasn't quite so close to the words. Then I continued the reverse shell along the heart shape with the white to add a border. I loved this touch. I thought it turned out gorgeous. Then I piped a whole bunch of red roses with the petal tip. I have a tutorial up on how to pipe a buttercream rose if you need one, but I wanted this cake to be bursting with roses. So I just kept piping until I ran out of buttercream. I used the scissors to lift the roses off the parchment paper of the homemade flower nail. I piped some small roses and large roses and just covered the bottom half of the cake with flowers. If you like what you see, hit that like button. And while you're down there, hit subscribe for a new cake video every week. Once I ran out of red buttercream, I piped a whole bunch of leaves around the roses. Here's where you have the opportunity to cover up any smudges or imperfections from the roses. As a final step, I piped a shell border along the edge of the cake. I piped it last so my hand didn't constantly smudge it as I was placing the roses. I love this cake. This is the kind of Mother's Day cake I would make for my own mother. She would love this cake too. Deep red roses and green leaves everywhere you look, with the elegance of the high contrasting white. Happy Mother's Day! I think this design would also look fabulous as a wedding cake with the names of the couple inside the heart. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.